Would it be so hard to believe that animals are also capable of producing electricity? As much as it may sound like an unrealistic concept, it is truly fascinating that these creatures can produce enough electricity that they can sting and harm a human being just like me and you. Now, to understand the science behind it, the magic lies in electrophysiological phenomenon known as bioelectrogenesis. Which allows electricity generation within living organisms. In most cases, these electrogenic properties are mostly seen in larger vertebrate species. And in today's video, we will be talking about various aquatic creatures that can produce deadly electricity. So, to understand what these animals do with this ability, it is mostly utilized for hunting prey, self-defense, electrocommunication, and/or electrolocation purposes. Moving on, here are 5 of the aquatic animals that use bioelectrogenesis to generate electricity. Number 1. Electric eel. The electric eel, also known as Electrophorus electricus, is a knife fish despite being named as an eel, that can be found in the Amazon and freshwater river basins in South America. It is the only kind of Electrophorus genus species capable of producing electricity. An interesting point worth noting is that the electric eel has 3 pairs of abdominal organs: the main organ, Sachs organ, and Hunter's organ, which makes the majority of the body of the electric eel and is responsible for the generation of high and low voltage electricity. The electric eel tends to use this capability to prey and hunt down species. It transmits signals to the nervous system, which in turn activates those electric organs. The ion channels are activated, hence allowing the flow of sodium ions, resulting in momentary reversal of polarity. This produces a sudden potential disparity and electrical current. Although this shock is not necessarily classified as dangerous, due to it occurring for a short period, you might want to know that it has caused human deaths. Not only that, but the sting is considered extremely painful. Well, I don't know about you, but I would keep my distance from the electric eel. Number 2. We have the electric catfish, which belong to the family of Malleptularidae, most commonly found in the tropical regions of Africa and the Nile River. These fishes are carnivorous and nocturnal. Similar to the electric eel, the electric catfish uses its shock-generating ability to hunt on its prey with the help of its well-developed electrogenic organs. These species prey on other fishes, fish larvae, detritus, and invertebrates with food preferences differing by species. So, did you know that these species are capable of producing an electric shock of up to 350 volts? Unbelievable, right? This explains why ancient Egyptians used the smaller fishes to treat arthritis pain. In fact, a singular electric catfish might not do you any harm. That won't be the case if you come in contact with multiple of them. The third type of deadly electricity-generating fish that we have on our list is the northern stargazer, also known as Astroscopus gutidus. This fish can be found on the eastern shores of the United States between New York and North Carolina, in the approximate depth of 120 feet. The northern stargazer is capable of producing electricity, which can be attributed to the existence of electrical organs in orbit. The electrical shock produced by the northern stargazer is used for the purpose of searching for prey and acts as a means to self-defense. This interesting-looking fish has a blackish-brown body and white spots distributed throughout its neck and back, helping it to camouflage itself in the coastal waters. In terms of hunting its prey, The fish has an upward-turned mouth that catches the prey by surprise. A sneaky little thing, isn't it? Number 4. Electric rays. What if I tell you that a creature can have the ability to sting you without ever touching you? Fascinating, isn't it? Cartilaginous fishes belonging to the torpedo genus kind. Living in the depth of 3,000 feet in the shallow coastal waters, these rays feed on small fishes and vertebrates, using the energy they produce to stun and catch the targeted species. The most identifiable characteristics of these fish is their ability to create electrical discharges that can be used to shark their target or as a survival tactic. The electric rays are capable of generating an electrical shock ranging from 8 to 220 volts. So here's the thing. Although dangerous, the shocks generated by the electric rays have been used by the ancient Greeks to numb the pain of surgeries and childbirth, while the Romans used it as a means to treat headaches and gout. Number 5. Black ghost knifefish. Living in the tropical waters in South America, including the Amazon basin, this fish is relatively weaker in producing electric shocks compared to the others on the list. The black ghost knifefish has a singular electrical organ, as well as electroreceptors scattered throughout the body, consequently making it the only species that can generate and feel electricity. The fish uses its electron sensing capability to find the primary food, which are insect larvae. Since you may be wondering how it is able to do that, the fish initially produces electrical signals called electron discharges, EODs, by means of the electrical organ. These signals are then picked up by the electron sensing receptors found on the fish's body. Then, the following electrical properties are used by these fish in order to interact with each other and also for electrolocation. It truly is amazing how these intriguing creatures live in this world among us. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of more of our interesting and informative videos about the animal kingdom. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below.